you ever just like sit there and you're like, okay, at this time I'm gonna go work out. 10:30, I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna start working out, and it's gonna be great. I look at my phone, it's 10:31. We missed it. Now we have to wait until 11 to start. I just don't want to today. I don't feel like it. I'm tired. I feel like my coffee isn't working. I don't go to the gym. If you guys follow me, you know that I work out at home. So I literally just have to take like 13 steps down to my basement. And sometimes like those are like the hardest steps ever. So I need to get some water and then I'm gonna go work out. So this is the program I'm doing. It's called Get a Booty or Die Trying. I just don't have a butt. Like, it's just not on the cards for me, but I'm gonna die trying because I don't know. I'm trying so hard. So his name is Fitness Rick, and I believe his name is like Ricky Dervugo or something. So I've been doing this, and it is like a total body program, but I only do the leg days of his program, and then for my upper body I do Lauren GLEISBERG workouts, which I've talked about her before, but I will link both of their websites below. I pay for their programs, so I'm not gonna just like show you guys like everything because that's just unethical, I feel. I'm gonna be doing one of the leg days today. So here's my workout outfit. Nude tank, wrinkly. It's from Target, but it has this cute little like side detail, I don't know. And then these are just the Align pants from Lululemon, but they pill so bad. I haven't bought another pair in like over a year because they pill so bad and they're so much money. So I'm just like, no, I'm not doing that anymore. Done. And I usually just work out barefoot, so I actually had to restart this program because I went on vacation to Disney and then I was traveling to New York City and I got strep throat. So I like took like 3 weeks off. So I just started the program like all over again. There's 3 leg days every week. So I'm just gonna hop to it. Take your Gucci bag and a North Face. FYI, I like to listen to Pandora. I don't really use Spotify. I don't have a Spotify account. You guys always ask me that. I don't have Spotify. I listen to SiriusXM radio and Pandora usually, or a Drake album. That's like all I do. So this is Notorious B.I.G. radio on Pandora. So try it out. Try it out, folks. This is what I do in between sets. Glute activation, nation. The party's not here. Uh-oh is right. La, la, da, da. La, da, da, da. god, I'm so sweaty. Sick of this shit. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. I feel good though. Of course the freaking UPS man's here. Watch this though. They're such jerks. Look at Rose. Look at these two. I'm gonna tell my mom. Mom! Somebody's here! The UPS man literally hates them so much. I feel like I'm just gonna die trying because this is like as good as it's really gonna get. I just am not a person who has a butt. I just don't know. And I'm not really that dedicated that I'm gonna try super hard. Like, I'm gonna try, but I'm not gonna like put all my effort into it, so I can't really complain. But this is progress, dude. Progression. Progress. Nah. Alright, so then I'm gonna have one of these. I used to love these. I don't know if I've talked about them in a video like years ago or not, but I used to love these. They are the coffee protein shakes. So it has as much caffeine as a cup of coffee, and they're so good. It literally tastes like something you would get at Starbucks. So it's really good. And I used to get them all the time, and then my store stopped carrying them, and then I saw them again and I was like super pumped. So I'm gonna drink this. Don't have it after a nighttime workout, else you will never sleep. All right, so I'm just gonna open up what the UPS man brought in my front yard because it's so nice out. So this is from Philosophy, obviously. And what's this? Ooh, coffee. Love coffee, obvi. Purity, you guys know I love Purity Cleanser. What's this? Ooh, Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. That sounds cool. So this is the Purity Eye Cream. That's like in French or something. Let's see what this says. In just 3 days, improvement in under eye puffiness, bags, and shadows. I have all of the above, so I'm gonna try that ASAP. And then, what is in this? What's this? Oh, a French press. Cute. So that's exciting. Thank you to Philosophy. I'm definitely gonna try that eye cream out after I wash my face. Faux show. Okay, so if I don't leave like literally in the next 1 minute, I'm gonna be late. So this is my little outfit of the day. Top is Windsor, skirt is H&M. These are my Steve Madden sandals that I wear all the time, but I'm gonna be late, so I gotta go. Having lunch with my mom and dad. What'd you get, Mom?
I got the roasted beef salad with shrimp.
What'd you get? Steak sandwich. And I got Caesar salad. This wind. Yeah. This fake wind. Air conditioning. Is this really as full blast as it goes? Come on, dude. Here we go. Ready? I feel like I'm in a music video. Okay, so I just pulled up to this place. You guys probably have never heard of it. Most YouTubers don't go there ever. So it's let me just show you. It's called Home Goods. Homie, what's good? Goods for the homies. I'm here just to browse. I literally need nothing. Stop it. I need this. How cute are these? Is there a set? Oh my god, these two. Oh my god. Is it weird if I just buy one? Okay, this is actually something I need. I need an adjustable chair for like when I'm filming. But I don't really like any of these. I mean, this one's kind of cute. The rose gold is actually kind of cute. Do they have any better ones though? Maybe I'll just get this. I'm having fun. Oh, there's another one. Oh, these are cuter. I kind of like the mauve-y, or do I like the regular pink? That one's a little bit too pink. I like this one. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, I'm gonna get it. I'm just gonna ride this out of here like a scooter. I'm a grown-up, but here I am doing non-grown-up things. Hi, I'm 28. Okay, I'm totally getting this. So I'm now the proud owner of that blush adjustable stool, which is wicked cute. A bottle of Dasani water. And 1 glass, which I cannot wait to fill up and then drop it like all the time because it's non-breakable. and dishwasher safe and all that, heat resistant. But one bad thing is I literally got my hand freaking covered in lube or grease or whatever you call it that was on the shaft. Oh my god, why is this the dirtiest thing ever? Lube on a shaft, stop. But yeah, it got all over my hands, so I had to find something in my trunk to wipe my hands off because no, I have a white shirt on, I can't have black grease on my hand. I wanted to show you guys a really quick and easy recipe that I like to do sometimes. I'm doing it in the crock pot, but I will put a link to instructions on how you can do it just like in the oven if you don't want to do it in a crock pot. But personally, I like to do it in a crock pot, especially in the summer, because A, it's just easier, you just dump it in there, and then B, you don't have to like heat up your whole kitchen when it's like 95 degrees outside, so it's just super quick and easy. So basically what you do is you put your chicken breast in a crock pot. This is just the thin sliced ones. You can use whatever chicken breast you like. You could probably use thighs too. And then you want to put at least half of a bottle of green salsa, so the Salsa Verde. This is just the brand that I like. I do mild because I'm a baby and I don't really like spicy things. Well, I like them, but I'm a baby and I can't handle it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of Lowry seasoning salt in there. You can just use regular salt and pepper if you don't like this, but I don't know, I just like this. I can't freaking open this. There it is in the crock pot. I put about half that jar of salsa. So that is it for right now. We want to cook it in the crock pot for 2 to 3 hours on high or 4 to 6 hours on low. And then after the time is up, you want to shred the chicken. So just take like a fork and shred the chicken. You don't have to shred it if you don't want to, but I always shred it. Okay, so I just shredded the chicken a little bit. If there's any like extra liquid, like if it's too like liquidy, you can always just like ladle out some of the extra salsa. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of non-fat plain Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to add a few handfuls of this cheese. It's the 4 Mexican cheese. So Greek yogurt's in. Here comes the cheese, aka the best part of life is cheese. Am I right, or am I right? So just let the cheese melt. I actually turn the crock pot off because at this point it's just like super hot, so whatever heat is left will melt the cheese. So then I like to serve it over top of rice. So I'll either do real rice. I usually do like basmati or jasmine, just like plain. You don't need any flavored in there because this chicken has like a lot of flavor with the sauce. Or you can do it with cauliflower rice, or you can do like a combination. So I think tonight I'm gonna do a combination of regular rice with the cauliflower rice just to make it lower carb, not necessarily low carb, but lower carb. And these all are like microwavable options, and they're really quick and easy. If you're like low on time, do this in the morning and then you can just pop these in the microwave afterward. So here I have a mixture. I made a total freaking mess, but I have a mixture of the riced cauliflower and the basmati rice. So it's mostly cauliflower, but if you mix in like a little bit of regular rice, I feel like it just helps with like texture. Just take a big old scoop of this. It kind of looks like buffalo chicken dip, honestly. Does it look appealing? Not at all. That looks pretty gross, but it's good, I promise. Also, I was just thinking that if you guys wanted to, you could just put the rice or the cauliflower rice right in the crock pot too at the end to just like mix it all together, but sometimes I like to just put that chicken mixture in a tortilla, so that's why I don't do that. I'm about to go in on this mush. I know it doesn't look appetizing, but it's pretty healthy. Is salsa considered a vegetable or a fruit? Is a tomatillo a fruit or a vegetable? A tomato's a fruit. I don't know, it's green, so I'm counting it as a vegetable, and that's gonna be it. I'm gonna enjoy this on my couch and watch some trash television, so cheers. Thanks for not being in my face. You're close, but normally you're way closer, so I respect that and I thank you. No! Miss! That is rude. Stop.